My name's Cody Stepp. I'm the CEO of Workflow Secrets.
And I'm Mark Stepp, the CTO.
We're building SAM, the AI-first system that is replacing CRMs for real estate agents and teams.
Yeah, today's CRMs just store data. SAM actually uses it. It helps agents follow up, communicate, and run their business.
That's right. Now, Mark has built two of the most successful and widely used CRMs for real estate. And I've marketed, sold, supported, and helped agents be successful inside of them.
With 35 years in this space and tens of thousands of agents I've trained, I know what agents need, but legacy systems just can't keep up, and AI changes everything.
Now, we launched in January, and we already have real estate agents in teams building their business off the backs of SAM. But instead of just storing data, SAM is actually using it.
Our 7 AI assistants actually handle things like client follow-up, onboarding, and listing prep, to name a few. And the routine builder creates automations in under 3 minutes, allowing agents to do what they do best.
That's right. We think like YC, we build like YC, and we're ready to scale with YC.